Ask people what they miss about older homes and you'll hear the same responses: warmth, craftsmanship, character, and thoughtful architectural details. So today we're writing an open letter to the modern builders. If we could bring back some of those features, what would they be? Well, here's my list. Number 1, there is something about walking into a home that has real solid hardwood floors that immediately makes it warmer and more welcoming. Unlike many modern flooring materials, hardwood has natural variation, texture, and character. It feels solid underfoot, it ages beautifully, it can be refinished, and it looks just as good decades later. And perhaps that's why, even after all the alternatives that have come along, hardwood is still the flooring so many buyers hope to find. Number 2 is a feature I absolutely adore, but it's very rare and you don't see it very often, and that's recessed windows. And it's one of those details that has an enormous impact on how the home feels. So rather than sitting flush with the exterior wall, the windows are recessed into the building, and this creates such a depth, a shadow, and a feeling of solidity. Number 3, and another feature I'd love to see more often, are arches. For centuries, arches were used to frame entrances, connect rooms, and add a sense of elegance to even the simplest of homes. So instead of abruptly moving from one room to the next, an arch creates a gentle transition. It draws your eye through the home and adds just enough architectural interest to make the room feel designed rather than simply constructed. Number 4, few features make a room feel as welcoming as a fireplace. And what I miss are fireplaces that feel as if they're part of the home's architecture rather than just a firebox inserted into a plain wall. A substantial chimney breast, a beautiful stone surround, a brick hearth, or a carefully crafted mantelpiece gives a room warmth, permanence, and character. It anchors the entire space and creates a room that feels so inviting long before the fire has even been lit. Number 5, bring back decorative moulding and trim work. Whether it's wainscoting, picture moulding, wall panelling, or elegant crown moulding, these architectural details add texture, depth, and craftsmanship. They create shadow, frame a room, and make even the simplest space feel considered and handcrafted. They don't have to dominate a room, they just make it feel richer, more interesting, and far more memorable. Number 6, staircases used to be a defining architectural statement, setting the tone from the moment you walked in. A substantial handrail, elegant newel posts, quality balusters, and crafted treads all add a sense of craftsmanship that's impossible to miss. Number 7, a solid wood door has a weight and quality that's immediately noticeable the moment you touch it. It closes with a reassuring thud, it feels substantial in your hand, and it gives the impression it's built to last. Whether it's the front door welcoming you or all the doors throughout the home, they're one of the few architectural features that we interact with on a daily basis. Number 8 is hardware, one of the smallest details that can make the biggest impression. A beautifully crafted brass door handle, a substantial cabinet pull, or an elegant window latch are the kind of details that people touch every day, just like the doors. They add a sense of craftsmanship, they're reassuringly solid and beautifully made, and can quietly elevate the experience of living in a home. Number 9, lighting can have an incredible influence on how a home feels, and few fixtures create a warmer atmosphere than a beautifully placed wall sconce. Rather than flooding a room with light from above, sconces create soft pools of light. They add warmth, spotlight architectural details, and make a home feel far more inviting. Whether flanking a fireplace or framing a bathroom mirror, they add depth, atmosphere, and make a house feel a lot less like a showroom and more like an actual home. And finally, number 10, leave the mature trees. They're one of the few things you simply can't recreate overnight. They provide shade, privacy, and a sense of permanence that transforms the way a home feels. A home surrounded by mature trees simply has more character. So wherever possible, designing around the landscape first rather than completely clearing it creates neighbourhoods that feel established from day one. Of course, there's another side to this conversation. The features I've talked about today cost more, some a lot more. better materials, better craftsmanship, and greater architectural detail all have an impact on the cost of building a home and ultimately on affordability. But in my experience as a realtor, there's plenty of people willing to pay the premium. The problem is finding homes that offer it. So let me know in the comments what you think to my items. Are there any other features you'd love to see again? Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to join me next week for more Homes Explained.